Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj's YouTube channel. Did you know you can make passive income on YouTube with ClickBank without having your own product or massive friends following? In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make the income using the ClickBank on YouTube. Right, start from signing up in the ClickBank to promoting their product effectively. First thing first, what is ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate marketing place, and it has its own 1,000 of products in each category. You like whatever category you say, electronic, home, garden, or like let's say clothes. Every category you will see like a lot of products are there, and the main reason is that they have a high commission rate. Like for example, if you are selling their product, they are gonna give you high commission like on that product sale. The commission rate is often 50% or more, which makes it ideal for the affiliate marketing. So now I will show you how you can register in the ClickBank application and what all details you need to provide and how you can promote their product and how you will get the affiliate marketing link. So let me start with how you are going to sign up in the ClickBank application. So you have to go to the google.com and you can search the ClickBank directly. And this is the first you can go through ClickBank affiliate marketing hub. You will go here, and then after that you go to login. In this homepage also you will see a couple of details like ClickBank is e-commerce platform affiliate marketing, and they have their own they have paid like up to 6.6 billion as a commission, and they are like 100k plus active affiliates are there. So like there are a lot of people who are helping them promoting their product and selling their product, and they are making lot of money. As you say, this is the homepage clearly showing that they have paid 6.6 billion commission till now. So lot of details are there in the homepage, but what I will do, how you are going to register, I'm going to show you. So here what you have to do, you have to click on the login, and the bottom you will see create an account here. So here you are going to provide the details. So for timing, let me provide all the details. The phone number, let me provide the email address, and the phone number, let me give you the phone number quickly. And the password you can provide. What it says into uppercase, so let me do that. Special character, okay. This is okay. So now you have to click I have read and agree to the terms and conditions. Scroll down up to the end, read this terms and condition. Then you come here and click I have and click create accounts. So here it's saying a new affiliate are using accelerator to build a funnel and start making sales. So this is like kind of a membership. If you want to have the membership, but time being you don't need to have it. Once you have more traffic or more sales, you can get the benefit of having the membership, because the membership a lot of advanced feature like you can have access the product which are like not in market, and if you sell them you're gonna get the extra commission. So for time being, just to get to know how this application works, we'll go through this. No thanks, continue to sign up. So this is your very first page, home page. Once you log in, you will get this kind of detail. You can download this list, and so here is a very confirmation detail, confidential detail. You can go through with that and complete my profile. So here you provide all the details. You can provide their address and all those things. So let me provide this. And you can provide the date of birth. Let's say I'm providing some random number as of now. You can provide the real details, so they can have the more detail you are a. So this detail you have to provide, so they can issue the benefit, like whatever the commission you are getting. That's what they need it. So for time being, I will hide it and provide it to you. You can, when you are creating your account, you have to provide it. Now what you do, once you provide all this detail and complete your profile, you are going to go to the affiliate marketing place. So very first time when you are going, it will show you like how it will give you the tour, how it is going to work. So it says like limitation of single tracking parameter, new affiliate marketing tracking parameter, all the parameters are there. You can go through with that, and how the dashboard will look like you can see there. So once we come here, it will show you this thing. So this is the like marketplace, and here I will show you what all details we have. So here if you see very top, this is the like all the categories, like as I was telling earlier, like computer, gadgets, or health, fitness, politics, or health reference, some other software service, whatever the categories are there. So in that category you can find the latest product. If you want to see the new offer, what is the new offer, you click here, and here the important thing I will tell you. You see it says the rank is like 51, like out of lot of product there, it is ranking as a 51 in this marketplace. And let me tell you couple of other things which you should know when you are registering here. So here you see this is the rank, and I'm talking about this second one. Offer name is Fast Wealth. This is something product I believe is related to health or something. And the salary is FAWE at 12, and the average is $45. So I will tell you what is this. So this average amount is like net commission when you sell their product. Like we will be having the affiliate link there. Once someone is using that link and they are buying the product, you are going to get the $45 out of that purchase. So this is the like average you are going to get from that single sale. And initial, this is like initial commission paid $45. The future, it is not marked like in future if there is a more commission on that. EPC is the like very important thing you should know. If someone is clicking your link, you are going to get, like let's say someone click your link, even though they click the link, you are going to get this 0.24 like 20% here. So this is very important thing you should know. CVR, let's say talk. So it will tell you like how much percentage people are buying out of that link. Like someone is clicking, 100 people are clicking, out of that 5% are clicking, then it will show like 5% here. But it for time being it shows like 0.53%. Like this percent people are even though like that people are going 100 people and 5 are buying this. So that's what it is, like not buying, even like how someone might have completed purchase, something like that. And this is how it is showing the CVR value. Gravity, the A score based on the number of unique affiliate generating sales over the past 90 days. So like it shows like this, what is the unique in this product and how it is generating the unique affiliate in this marketplace. So this is all important thing which you should know. Let me tell you the next thing, how we are going to create the affiliate marketing link. So for time being, let me go through with this Fast Wealth. So here are the couple of things which you should know. So here we are, these are the again the overall information, like you can see in the graph, like average per conversion you are going to get like up to 41 to $43 or something like that. Return rate, if there is a refund, so how soon they refund it, like some people may buy it but after 1 week, 1 month they want to return it. So it says like 1% refund is there, so you don't need to worry. So people when refund it, still you're gonna get like the refund, you see the very 1% is a refund only there out of 100%, so very less. So you have to check this matrix, and if you see this data is good, then you can create the affiliate marketing link for that product. But a lot of things are here. Overall rank, it shows like it is 133 in today's date, like how it is ranking in the marketing place. And refund rate, so they refund like within 1 day, so this is good. So customer want to know like how soon they want to get their money back. So this is very important. So you can see all this metric. After that, what we are going to do, the important thing here, right side you see get affiliate link, view affiliate page, view sales page. So what we are going to do, and the bottom we have the contact, like for something, some product requires the approval. Before they approve your affiliate marketing link, they need to be that link needs to be approved by the seller. So what happened in that case, I will give you that example also. But let me tell you in here where we don't need the approval, where the approval is not required. So here you are going to click on the get affiliate link. So before that you create the affiliate link, you need to have the nickname available. So what is the nickname? I will tell you what is. So nickname, like for in your profile for like gadgets or electronic product, you are using the different nickname. For the fitness, health, and other product, you are using the different nickname. So you at least you need to have the one nickname over there. So let me give you there. So it says you do not have permission to access this page because my profile is waiting for the confirmation. Let me approve it. I might have received the email. Let me check there, and then I will come back here. So you remember when we were creating the profile, there was a required detail like if you are in US, you need to provide the social security number, phone number, street address, and based on that, your profile will go for review. And once it is approved, you can have all the access in the platform. So I did that part. Now I'm back to this marketplace screen. Here you see we were looking for this product Fastwell. This is the first scenario where we don't need the approval. So I will click here. And the other detail we talk already, like how much commission you will get in one sale. And here we have to click the get affiliate link. So here it will say you. I click my already the affiliate like account name, nickname. So you can also do it like how it is get it. Like you have to just provide any name. If it is available, it will accept. Then you can come here and provide this affiliate nickname here. The seller name, if you see the seller name, it is already coming from that this product, because for this seller, this product, this is the seller. So what you have to do, you have to click continue, and you got the link here. You see, this is your link. Let me copy this link, and I copied my link. So what happened next? The other thing you should also know, now you have the link. Before you use your link in your YouTube video, what you are going to do, you have to go to this affiliate page. You have to know a lot of things about this product. What is this product? So what this product is doing, you see, let's talk about that. So they are saying you will receive 75% of every sale for every product in the funnel, including the front end, upsell, whatever, and maximum order value. Product value can be maximum to 220, and you are going to get the 75% commission. It means, you see, 75% means almost like $160 to $170 if you sell a single product. And this is their affiliate link which you can use, and email, all those things detail are there. And what you can do, so this is their affiliate marketing link. So how you are going to create the affiliate marketing link, and they are telling you, see, op link and all this number will get changed, and your link will be generated. Email swipes, click here for the access email swipes, and contact. So you have to provide this detail. If someone having any issue with the product, they can reach out to this. The next thing I was telling, the view sales page, and if I go here, they remove one thing, that the last following for you. Okay, so fast wealth and view sales page. So you need to know what is this product about. So they have this, the video they have provided. You have to go to this video and check what they are talking about. Based on that, you can create your own video and explain the feature of that product, which I'm going to tell you using the different product. Here, this is the video. I don't want to play it, but you can see it, what they are talking about. You have to create your own video and explain the feature of that video to your people. So if someone is liking that, they can report the link, and you can see, if you like this product, you go to this link and you are going to get the discounted price also, because if you are selling that product, is going to give you some discounted price. Top of that, you are going to get the 70 to 75% commission. For this product particularly, it will be around something like $160 $70, which we talked about. So this is how you can know about the product, what is the product, know their features, and create the YouTube video, upload it, and explain about their feature, and ask them to use this link, which I am using here. So it will create, and at the bottom you will see the buy or sell kind of thing. This is very important. You can do that. Let me show you the other product which we talked about, like if they required something like approval or something like that. Let's say top offers. These are the top offers. So here you see this, for this offer you are going to get $134, $138. So let me check what is the 5 EPC. Or you can figure out, let's say I am checking for the software and services. So here you are getting just $9, but here you are getting $276, and the price might be also like $300 something. So here, if you go here, the other thing which I was telling you, it says approval required. So when you are creating this affiliate marketing link for this product, it will be sent for approval, and you have to follow up with this person. Like you can email them that I am creating the affiliate marketing link, and this is my link, please approve it. Once they approve, then only the link will give you some, that people can use that link and buy the product. So here it says the seller name is there, category is there, rank is overall 65. So let's talk about the other thing. This is the contact person. You need to, like, what you can do, you can prepare the Excel sheet and list all the product which you are selling, what is their affiliate marketing link, and what is their contact person. So that this will help you how you can list your product in the YouTube channel. So let me show you here. Before we get the affiliate link, you can go to the affiliate page. What is the affiliate page and sales page? So let me show you affiliate page. So this is the very important thing. You see, they are like before sell, also before product comes to the market, they give you some discount. If you sell them, you're going to get the additional commission. And top of that, if you are more sell, you are going to get the $35,000 in cash also. If you are selling more their product, you are going to get this. Like they give some price like platinum, gold, and bronze. If you get, like, let's say you are selling like, let's say 100 product of them, and you are at the top in their rank, they are going to give you $35,000 cash also, like apart from your 75% or 70% commission. So this is very important. You get the two type of income, like one is from the commission, one is from their price, top launch price. So this is the product, and this product I was talking, like, what is this product about. So what is saying, like, email swipes, how you can use this email swipe, use this high converting email swipe to build massive budget for this launch, and all this thing they will tell you. And more detail, if you want, you can reach out to this person and they can tell you, like, well, I'm creating the video, please describe me what is this product all about. And here also you will get to know what is the product about. So here, if you go view sales page, so here you can provide your name and all details, and then they will give you, like, what is the sales page and all those things. So let me come here and click on the get affiliate link. So here I will click my account name, and they will ask you, you can submit your you can submit, you can take this detail like affiliate marketing launch page, and here you have this contact email. You have to email this person, like, I'm creating my affiliate marketing link, please approve this request and this thing. So you have to this is the like seller page which we went already, launch page, and this is the like email contact. So you have to send them email that I am promoting your product, and like provide me the brief description and approve my affiliate marketing link. So they are going to approve your affiliate marketing link. Then you create the video and put the video in that particular, like, about that product, how does it work, what it is showing all about, and tell them like discounted price, all those things. And if someone is buying using your affiliate marketing link, you are going to get the 70% commission. This is all about the ClickBank. So this is how you can make the like passive income, even though you don't have the massive following on your social media or like YouTube platform. You can just create the video about this product, explain about this product feature, and create the affiliate marketing link and put in your channel description, and let people use it. Even though they are clicking on it, you're going to get some money. If there is a one click, as we saw earlier, like it was showing like here EPC like 8.35, something like that it's showing. Like I was talking about this one, like average click, even though there is a click CVR, so EPC is there, like you see, earn per click. So even though some people are clicking, you are going to make the money. Let's say 100 people are clicking on that affiliate marketing link, and you are going to, for this product, it will be $100, $120. So you have to emphasize like that, click or follow this link, go through this link. So people are gonna go lot of time in that link, and you are going to get the profit. So this is how you can definitely make a passive income, and this is all about ClickBank. Let me know in comment what you think about this video and how did it help you. And if you're looking for more such videos, let me know in comment. We will help to provide you this kind of videos. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.